Rivertown Terrace Condominiums offers a perfect lifestyle for those looking for maintenance-free living in Riverside. Right now, you can see the 6 brownstones that are being built across the front of Wyandotte Street. By looking at the brownstones, you will see all the amenities that we are offering in the apartment-style condos as well. Construction of the condos will begin in June. Our grand opening is May 3rd from 1 to 4. That's Sunday, May 3rd, 1 to 4. Otherwise, if you want a personal appointment, call me at 519-966-7777.
So here we are at the villas of Hillside Park, Phase 3. We're on our new street, Gatwick, where we are going to be building 30 more of our luxury townhomes. And here we are this morning in one of them, well under construction, in the middle of being drywalled. This is one of the largest ones that we have left now. It's a 1,500 square feet end unit with a 2-car garage, which is going to be full of all of our luxury finishes that people are now they've become used to in our products. Porcelain tiles, granite in the kitchen and in bathrooms, walk-in showers, hardwood floors, fireplaces. This street, as I said before, we're going to have 30 townhomes, 12 of which have already been sold. So now is the time to purchase while we still have some left available on the street.
Project's been going very well. We're on schedule to be completed in July. We're currently putting finishes on the 3rd floor and roughing in electrical, plumbing on the 1st and 2nd. Over the next 2 months, the project will come together. All our exterior finishes will be completed and will be ready for occupancy in July.